The biggest thing I think it was developing an understanding on how Google works and how big Google search is in a business's life. I used to spend piles of money on yellow page advertising and phone books, and really this has replaced that and then some. It was a no-brainer, especially in COVID. And how do you add to your toolbox on how you're going to keep your business open and viable. I started to look at the analytics and noticed the big increase of engagement with people searching it out, people asking questions, reviews. Google finds you everywhere as long as you're listing yourself properly and giving Google the right information. So that's the biggest takeaway I've gotten, is the power of it. The truth of the matter is, nowadays people are finding your business through their handheld devices and their computers and their social networks. So it's something that you need to have an understanding of. You will see some drastic improvement, I would think.